Antonio. Hope you're doing well. All right, so the question that you asked me to do is tangent A over 2. How can we show that it equals tangent A over secant A plus 1? I'm assuming that you've been introduced to the half-angle identities. And so let's look at your answer choices that you had, A, B, and C. All right, A is tangent of A over 2 equals the square root of 1 minus cosine A over 2. Answer choice B was tangent A over 2 equals sine of A over secant A. Oh, I'm sorry, it started out like this instead. It was originally written like this. Sine of A over 1 plus cosine A. And then C was tangent A over 2 equals the square root of 1 plus cosine A over 2. Now this is an identity, and it's asking me which ones I can use to verify this. This is a true statement that they gave you. And they're saying which one of these turns into that, tangent A over secant A plus 1, tangent A. Does this turn into it, or does the third one turn into it? So these are your three answer choices that you had. Okay, now these I would rule out anyway. It's not going to be A or C because never mind. I mean, I couldn't turn this into this statement anyway, but it's not even, I wouldn't even try this one because this doesn't equal tangent A over 2. If you've memorized or seen your half-angle identities, this one equals sine of A over 2. It doesn't even equal tangent of A over 2, so I wouldn't even look at this one because this isn't even true. Same thing down here. That's not even a true statement, so I'm not even going to go to the third statement. This one is equal to cosine of A over 2. So it wasn't even true to start with. Now this one is true, and I can turn it into this by doing it this way. I have sine A and 1 plus cosine A. I don't like writing in red. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 1 over cosine A. Or in other words, I'm going to divide the top by cosine A and the bottom by cosine A. As long as I do it to the top and the bottom, that's fine. All right, sine A over cosine A is tangent A. And then I'm going to split up this fraction on the bottom with this common denominator. So I'm going to make this 1 over cosine A and cosine A over cosine A. I can make this two different fractions. Okay, so that gives me tangent A. 1 over cosine is secant A, and cosine over cosine is 1. And so we did it, turned it into that. So I hope this explanation helps. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I hope you're doing well. Keep it